So after you've gone through the syllabus, click on the web assigned directions. It'll give you step-by-step directions and in there a video clip as well as to how to get into WebAssign. It's pretty straightforward. The link is there, and also the class key is in there as well. One of the things that you will be doing with your written homework will be submitting it to a Dropbox, which means I need it as a PDF file, not just as a JPEG or whatever comes through your camera. So I have here directions if you need a PDF scanner that you can put on your phone. You can go to an app. It's a free app. Download it. It's got directions on how to use it. If you've already got one, you don't need it. You don't need this one. But if you don't have a PDF or way to make a PDF, this is a pretty easy app to use. So going back out to our course, that was the open this folder, start here. Everybody can click on this. I've got this set up every week the same way. So the work due, you're going to click on this for week 1. And right here are the notes. You'll want to download those notes because you're going to write in the information into your note packet. This will help you answer questions to your worksheet 1 and 2. And it'll also help you with your WebAssign homework. So download that, print it out, and then the videos. Right, these videos here are going to go page by page through your note packet. So it's like me talking to you in class, writing up the notes on the board, the whiteboard. I'm just doing it through videos, which is kind of a good thing. You can stop, pause, go get food, get up, move around, come back, do more videos. Worksheet 1 is going to cover pages 1 through 10 in this note packet. So before you start worksheet 1, make sure you've gone through the videos from pages 1 through 10 and filled it into your note packet. That way you'll be able to do worksheet 1. Worksheet 2 goes from page 11 to 28. And after going through those pages in the notes, you should be able to answer the questions to worksheet 2. There's also study guides for test 1. There's answers that are just straight up answers, and then there's worked out videos of those problems. So that'll get you prepared for your first test. At the end, I guess next Sunday and Monday, you'll have that period of time to do it. So going back out for just a minute, let me click back out here. The Dropbox for worksheet 1. So once you get worksheet 1 done, you can click on this. It'll have you upload the file, and then I'll get it. If you're not sure, you can always email me and go, hey, did you get my worksheet? I'd rather do it this way than through my email. I'm getting like a bazillion emails from everybody on campus, and I'm afraid if you send your worksheet through the email, it's going to get lost. So please do the Dropbox with your worksheets, and that way it's right there, easy for me to grade. And if you do it as a PDF, like I'm asking you to, I can also make comments on it and actually physically grade the paper as a PDF. Ed puzzles. These are videos that have little quizzes in them. So if you go back to our videos, let me click on that link and open that up for a minute. Uh-oh, battery running low. Let's fix that real quick. Okay. Let me open that up so you can see. So the first one, page 3, it says see Ed Puzzle, page 3, Summer 20, listed in Moodle. So you would click on that Ed Puzzle listed in Moodle, go through the video, and within that video is going to be a small, maybe 1 or 2 question, just 1 or 2 questions that make sure that you're actually watching the video, and it will count as a grade, right? These Ed puzzles will count as like a mini grade. So you'll see page 3 has an ed puzzle, but page 4 doesn't. Page 4 you just click on, watch the video, fill in your note packet. But then page 5, you've got to go back out to, get back out to our work here, and you're going to see another ed puzzle for page 5. And then click on that, and it's a video. But again, this video is kind of the special one that has questions based on pages 3 through 5. All right, so we go back to our videos, and I don't see another ed puzzle until page 12. So all of these are just plain videos that you're going to watch, fill in your note packet with, and then you're going to get to page 12, and you got to go back out to the ed puzzle, click on that link. It's still another video, but then there's going to be questions based on these videos that you should have watched and filled in your note packet. If you filled in your note packet, you'll have no problem with these ed puzzles. They're just small, quick little quizzes, maybe a question or two. And you won't be able to go beyond the video until you do the ed puzzle quiz. So you've got to actually do it. You can't skip forward or anything. And then once you've done the ed puzzle, you can go back through, click on the rest of these links here, all the way down to page 23. And then again on page 23, you got to go back out, do the ed puzzle one. But any question on that ed puzzle can come from page 13 through 22. So make sure you've done those videos so that you've got your note packet filled out. And you can use your notes to answer these ed puzzle questions. That's not a problem at all. Okay. Let me get back out of this. All right, so that's what the ed puzzle stuff is about. Those are just the videos, additional videos for your notes. And then when you take your test in WebAssign, all right, there'll be, like I said, about a 24-hour window for you to go in and take it. It's a 1-hour test. You do not have time during that 1 hour, though, to be looking up information. It's going to be tight, so you've got to know your stuff. You've got to have, gone through the worksheets, go through the study guides, and then take that test. If you're planning on studying while you're taking the test, you're going to run out of time. And the time is set for 60 minutes. So you got to know your stuff. Once we get through week 1, and we get closer to the end of the week, I'll open up week 2. Everybody, though, will have to take test 1 at the same time. I mean, it'll be open for the same 24-hour period for everyone. So I can't open that up for you maybe because you got all of your work done here and now you're waiting to take test 1. What I can do, though, is open up week 2 so that you can start on the notes for week 2 and get that going. But I don't want the test open beyond a 24-hour period. So keep that in mind. You can work ahead a little bit, but I got to keep the test open for the same 24-hour period for everyone. Week 2, 3, 4, 5 will all be opening accordingly, and they'll be set up exactly like week 1. So you're going to see work due for week 1 with the note packet in there, the videos in there, the worksheets. All right, again, worksheet 1, worksheet 2, you're going to see a worksheet 3, worksheet 4 in the next packet, and then study guides for the corresponding test. So it's all going to be about the same stuff week after week. There shouldn't be any surprises, but again, I'll keep you apprised of all the information that you're going to need for that week and all the due dates coming up. You don't want to miss a due date.